Spinning air, I hear myself breathing. Crying by a thread, my heart is barely beating. Yeah, I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'll break it the next day without you beside me? I'll hold to the day. Tomorrow will just be a memory that I would look back at all of this. Wonder why I stayed here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? Before it's too late, I take a step